ഓം ശ്രീ ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ. ഹരി ഓം. ഓം ഗണാനാം ത്വാ ഗണപതിഗും ഹവാമഹേ കവിം കവീനാം ഉപമശ്രവസ്തമം ജ്യേഷ്ഠരാജം ബ്രഹ്മണാം ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പത ആനശൃണ്വന്നോതിഭിः സീദസാദനം. ഓം ശ്രീ മഹാഗണപതയേ നമഃ. ഓം നമഃ ശിവായ ഗുരവേ സച്ചിദാനന്ദമൂർത്തയേ നിഷ്പ്രപഞ്ചായ ശാന്തായ നിരാലംബായ തേജസേ. ഓം യസ്യാത്മഭൂതസ്യ ഗുരുപ്രസാദാത് അഹം വിമുക്തോസ്മി സംസാരബന്ധാത്. സർവോപദിഷ്ടു ശിവാനന്ദമൂർത്തേഃ മൃദ്വഗ്രിയുഗ്മം പ്രണതോസ്മി നിത്യം. ദയാസിന്ധും ദീനബന്ധും ശാസ്ത്രാർത്ഥബോധനപട്ടും മസ്കരീന്ദ്രവരം നൗമി ശ്രീചിദാനന്ദസദ്ഗുരും. ഓം പ്രാണിനാം ദുഃഖഹർത്താരൗ ജ്ഞാനദോ ഭുവനമുക്തയേ ശിവാനന്ദചിദാനന്ദോ ആശ്രയേ ഗുരുസത്തമോ. ഓം ശാന്താത്മാനം പ്രണതുസുലഭം സിദ്ധവിദ്യാപ്രഭാവം ഭാസ്വദ്രൂപം സുഗുണനിലയം ധ്വസ്തകർമാദിവർഗം പ്രജ്ഞാവൃത്തം നിജസമദൃശം താരതം ത്യാഗിപദ്യം സാക്ഷാത് ഈശം മമ ഗുരുവരം ശിവാനന്ദം നതോസ്മി ശിവാനന്ദം നതോസ്മി. ഓം വിശ്വം ദർപ്പണദൃശ്യമാനനഗരീ തുല്യം നിജാന്തർഗതം പശ്യൻ ആത്മനി മായയാ ബഹിരിവോദ്ഭൂതം യഥാ നിദ്രയാം യസാക്ഷാത് കുരുതേ പ്രബോധസമയേ സ്വാത്മാനമേവാദ്വയം. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ബീജസ്യ അന്തരിവാങ്കുരോ ജഗദിദം പ്രാങ് നിർവികൽപം പുനഃ മായാ കൽപ്പിതദേശകാലകലനാ വൈചിത്ര്യചിത്രീകൃതം. മായാവീവ വിജൃംഭയത്യപി മഹായോഗീവ യസ്വേച്ഛയാ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. യസ്യൈവ സ്ഫുരണം സദാത്മകം അസത്കൽപ്പാർത്ഥകം ഭാസത്തെ സാക്ഷാത് തത്വമസീതി വേദവചസാ യോ ബോധയത്യാശ്രിതാൻ യത് സാക്ഷാത്കരണാൽ ഭവേന്ന പുനരാവൃത്തിഃ ഭവാംഭോനിധൗ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. നാനാഛിദ്രകടോദരസ്ഥിത മഹാദീപപ്രഭാഭാസ്വരം ജ്ഞാനം യസ്യ തു ചക്ഷുരാദികരണദ്വാരാ ബഹിസ്പന്ദതേ ജാനാമീതി തമേവ ഭാന്തം അനുപാത്യേതത് സമസ്തം ജഗത്. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ദേഹം പ്രാണമപീന്ദ്രിയാണ്യപി ഛലാം ബുദ്ധിം ച ശൂന്യം വിദുഃ സ്ത്രീ ബാലാന്തജടോപമാ സ്ത്വഹമിതി ഭ്രാന്താഭൃശം വാദിനഃ മായാശക്തിവിലാസകൽപ്പിത മഹാവ്യാമോഹസംഹാരിണേ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. രാഹുഗ്രസ്തദിവാകരേന്ദ്രസദൃശോ മായാസമാച്ഛാദനാത് സന്മാത്രകരണോപസംഹരണതോ യോ ഭൂത് സുഷുപ്തഃ പുമാൻ പ്രാഗസ്വാപ്സമിതി പ്രബോധസമയേ യഃ പ്രത്യഭിജ്ഞായത്തെ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ബാല്യാദിഷ്വപി ജാഗ്രതാദിഷു തഥാ സർവാസ്വവസ്ഥാസ്വപി വ്യാവൃത്താസ്വവർത്തമാനം അഹം ഇത്യന്തഃസ്ഫുരന്തം സദാ സ്വാത്മാനം പ്രകടീകരോതി ഭജതാം യോ മുദ്രയാ ഭദ്രയാ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. വിശ്വം പശ്യതി കാര്യകാരണതയാ സ്വസ്വാമി സംബന്ധതാം ശിഷ്യ ആചാര്യതയാ തദൈവ പിതൃപുത്രാദ്യാത്മനാ ഭേദതഃ സ്വപ്നേ ജാഗ്രതി വാ യേഷ പുരുഷോ माया परिभ्रामितः तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्ट्वागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं जदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। So today is Tritiya Prashna. So Atahainam Kausalyascha Ashwalayanah Papracha Bhagavan Kutayesha Prano Jayate Katam Ayati Asmin Sharire Atmanam Va Pravibhajya Katam Pratishtate Kena Utkramate Katam Bhashyam Abhitatte Katam Adhyatmamiti. Okay, so before that, now the third question is being asked. Before that, we just have a quick look of what is covered in the first two chapters. So this you should remember. The first chapter, 6 students go to the Pipalada. Pipalada says, stay for 1 year and then ask questions. Then the first man asks the question, how all these creation has come, how all these prajas have come. Then he gives an answer. Prajakamo vi prajapatihi midinam utpadayate. The Bhagavan, when he desired, he becomes Prajapati. When you drive a car, you become driver. Otherwise, you are not driver. Okay? Only you drive a car, you are driver. Likewise, when Bhagavan desired Srishti, then he becomes Prajapati. He becomes Srishtikarta. Then he created a pair, Mithunam. Mithunam means a pair. So it is called, in Vedanta they call it as Reyi and Prana. Otherwise it is Prakriti and Purusha. Otherwise it is Anna and Artha. So this Srishti, the father is like the son will be like the father. Okay, likewise this Srishti Krama, Mithuna, is there throughout. Everything is here is Mithuna. Everything is two. You are also two. Don't think I am one. You are Bhagavan Srishti, you are also two. What is your two? The Jivatma and Paramatma. The Panchabhuta and the consciousness. Okay? So that is it from the apex to down, everything is Mithuna. So that is, then he says, everything is Mithuna. Samvatsara is Mithuna. Surya and Chandra is the cause for. Everything happens here because of Surya Chandra. So Surya Chandra is a Mithuna. Then Samvatsara is a Mithuna. Then there are two, Uttarayana and Dakshinayana. Then month is a Mithuna, Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha. Then day is a Mithuna. Like that, one by one it based on. So if you want to go beyond this, so because Bhagavan had a desire. That desire created all these things. So when you also desire, that also will create something. If you entertain a desire for pleasures in this world, then you will be in this birth, death will go on. So if you want to go beyond this, if you want permanent ananda, temporary ananda. Temporary, in this chakra, you got temporary ananda. You can go to Swarga and have the pleasures of life and come back. Again you have. So as long as we have a desire, entertain a desire in the mind, then you will be going through the Dakshinayana Marga. So if you want permanent Satchidananda Sukha, that is, what is that called? Atyandika Dukkha Nivarti. And Ananda means, then you should become desireless. Otherwise, then they say, Satyena Brahmacharyena Tapasalekya. So that is, the tapas, brahmacharya, ahimsa, etc. contribute to that. Or this brahmacharya is required for this also, but that brahmacharya is a limited brahmacharya that we have seen. So there also dharma is required. If you are dharmic, if you are leading a dharmic life, then you will have pleasures of this world. And you will be going to Sargaloka and all limited pleasures, not permanent pleasure. Temporary pleasures will be, ananda will be there. Anand Sukha will be there. So the Atyantika Dukkha Nivarti will not happen. That will happen only through Tyage Negi Amrtatva Manashu. That was the first point. So the second question was, what is the second question? The question, how many devatas, Prajapati, then Surya, Chandra, all these things have been told. So how many devatas are there in this body? Who is the best among them? Then they say all these Indriyas have, each one has got the devata. That yesterday I told you, all these Anganyasa, Karanyasa, all these devatas will come. Whether it is Saptashati Parayana or Rudra Parayana, wherever it is Agnirbevachi Shritaha, Vakrideya, like that. Okay? So, all the devatas are there. All these Indriyas are devatas. So each devata thought that I am only supporting this system. Then Prana said, no, you are not supporting. I am only supporting all of you. Then they did not bother. Then Prana decided to go away. When he started moving, all others have started moving. Then they said, don't go. If you go, we have no existence. Be here. And then they made stuti of the Prana. Okay? So Prana is the... So what is Prana? Ultimately, Prana is Bhagavan. This Prana is Bhagavan only. It is not under our control. It is not your Prana. This is my nose. Okay? This is my eye. You cannot say this is my Prana. So Bhagavan is Prana. And so many places it is told like that. Prana is Pranam Brahme Divyajanat, it comes. Annam Brahme Divyajanat. You have studied that? No. No, I have not taught that. That is third, it is in the it comes in the Burgovalli. Annam Brahme Divyajanat, Pranam Brahme Divyajanat. So that Prana is Brahma. So now, then the third question is, so please explain more about this Prana. Prana is Bhagavan only. Bhagavan only breathed into us. Tat srishtva tadeva anupravishat. That you have learned. Tat srishtva tadeva anupravishat. Tad anupravishya satyatyacha bhavat. Niruktam cha niruktam cha. All midhana you see. Niruktam cha niruktam cha. Nalayanam cha nalayanam cha. Vijnanam cha vijnanam cha. All are mithuna. Prakriti and Purusha only. So Tat srishtva, having created it, he entered into that. How Bhagavan entered? As Prana. Okay? And in the Bible also, the Older Testament, the very same thing is told. Bhagavan created sky, Akasha they call. Akasha, one by one, all these Panchabhutas. Then he made man, and God made man in his own image and breathed into him the life. Exactly what is, this is the same thing told. God made man in his own image. He has made you in his image and then breathed into you the life. So he has entered in you as breath. So that Prana, you want to explain, how you want more about this Prana. So this question is, speak more about this Prana. Okay, this background you continuously think. Similarly, I told you about this Mundakopanishad also. Mundakopanishad also, there are so many references. I did not say, okay. So, Atahainam, Kausalyascha Ashwalayanaha. This Ashwalayana Putraha, Ashwalayanaha, Kausalyaha. Then he asked, Papracha means he inquired, asked, Hey Bhagavan, Kuta Esha Pranaha Jayate. From where this Prana was born? Katham Ayati Asmin Sharire. Ayati Asmin Sharire. Katham Ayati Asmin Sharire. From where it is born? What is the cause for the Prana? From Bhagavan, the Prana has come, you say. How? How he came? What is the reason? Katham Ayati Asmin Sharire. How he is entered into this body? Katham Ayati Asmin Sharire. Atmanam va pravibhajya katham pratisthate. Then it divides. The Prana divides into Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samana. How it divides itself and remains in this body. Kena utkramate, how it goes out. When a person dies, when a person is born, it comes and it goes. How it goes, where it goes. Katham bhashyam abhidatti, how it supports the outer world. Katham adhyatmam abhidatte. That is abhidatte should take care. How it supports this body. This is supporting this body. How it supports this body? how it supports all the outside. It's supporting you, you are outside me, okay? It is supporting me from inside, and it is supporting you, for you also inside, but for me it is outside. Outside my prana is not supporting your prana. Okay? So how it supports the outside, how it supports me. This is the 6 questions. Kuta esha pranaha jayate? Katham ayati asmin sharire? Atmanam, that is pranaha, atmanam pravibhajya, katham pratishtade asmin sharire. Okay? Kena utkramate, how it goes. Katham bhashyam abhidate, katham adhyatmam abhidate. 6 questions. Oh, that is the first question. Tasmai sahovacha ati prashnan prachasi brahmishtositi tasmatyeham brivimi. Hey, you are asking questions, ati prashnaha. You are asking too much. Krishna Swami has told me 2-3 times. Hey, you are asking unwanted questions, too much you are asking. Ati prashnan, you are asking something very transcendental we cannot explain. Okay? Many things you cannot explain. So ati prashnan, you are transcendental thing you are asking. I am going to use these words. This can explain only the Prakriti. You cannot explain this, Bhagavan. You cannot explain the Bhagavan. Aja means what? Unborn. Bhagavan is unborn means how will you know? Unborn thing, how will you know? Unborn means how will you know? If something is said, it has no name. If it has no name, how will you know that? It must have a form. To know something, you should have a form and name. Without name, without form means how will you know? How to know that? Who is this? Oh, this is Nichalananda. Somebody say, oh, it's Nichalananda. Otherwise you say, oh, that person is that tall fellow, that short fellow. Something we have to say. So some Rupa must be there, or Nama should be there. Nama Rupa Atita means how will you know? Bhagavan is Nama Rupa Atita. How will you understand? It's Adi Prashna. Something with form and name you can. That is why Bhagavan Sri Krishna means everybody understands. Bhagavan Sri Krishna understands because you know it is form, some form we imagine, then we are happy with that. So, Nama Rupa Atita means Adi Prashna. How to know? Explain that. That is beyond our concept. So you are asking me something which is beyond our concept. Prana itself we do not know. And how it came you are asking. And other teachers. Then he says, Brahmishtosi, oh, you are genuinely interested. Genuinely interested, and you have also observed tapasya. So I will explain to you something. You can understand it. Unless tapasya is there, Upanishad will not be understood. Unless tapasya is there, Bhagavad will not be understood. Spiritual Shastra will not be understood if vina tapasya. Purity is required. It is not understood by the intellect. Natu buddhi grahya. What is Veda? What is Veda? Yasya nishwasanam Vedaha. The breath of God is Veda. Arevasya mahato bhutasya nishwasanam Vedaha. That mahat, that breath is Veda. Veda is word. So, that which is transcendental, that which is beyond our concept. Have you seen Bhagavan? If somebody asks what they will say, nobody will say, I have seen Bhagavan. Because you have got a concept of seeing Bhagavan. As I am seeing you, they want to see Bhagavan like that. They don't see like that. They see in a different way. But to you, they will explain like that only. Bhagavan appeared before me, Chadurbahu. It is correct also. And Bhagavan is Vishwarupa. It's called Vishwarupa. That is also correct. He has no form. That is also correct. Bhagavan has. He is Sarupi and he is Arupi. That Mithuna will be there. Okay? So he is transcend everything. He is Antaratma of everything. He is beyond everything. He is there outside and he is there inside. Outside and inside makes the mithuna. Okay? So all statements are correct. So that is why he says, Brahmishtosi. Oh, you have observed Brahmacharya and Tapasya here for 1 year and you are eligible. Therefore, Tasmat te aham brevimi. Therefore, to you I shall tell you. Otherwise he will not. Because in the Upanishads itself there are stories. One person go and ask something to that person, teacher. He did not give any reply, he goes away. And then he goes to another person later on. And then I asked that question to him, he did not say anything. You please tell me. Then he tells, you remember? Yeah? Ashwapati. You are read it? Chandogya Upanishad. Oh, forget. So, like that there are instances. So, you are eligible. Brahmishtosi. Tasmat teham brevimi. All right, I shall tell you. That is he. Said, tell me, sir, like that. Atmanayesha prano jayate yatayesha purushe chaya yetasmin yetat atatam manokritene ayatyasmin sharire atmanayesha pranaha jayate. Atmanaha yesha pranaha jayate. The prana is born from the Atma, from the Brahman, from Bhagavan. From prana is born from the Atma. From the Atma only the prana is born. Okay? What is told? Bhagavan created prana and Reyi. So that is the first praja. They created all other things. Okay? So Atmane Yesha Pranaha Jayate. This prana, your prana, because that is the effect. Suppose the other day I told you, no? Morning you get up and see the terrace and everywhere it is wet. Then you understand there was rain in the night. Okay? So from the karya, you understand the cause. Somebody gives me water, I touch, it is hot. So it is boiled water. So from the cause I understand from the effect I understand the cause. From the karya, you understand the karana. If a person is sitting in front of you, that means he has a father. Yes, he must have a father only. A fatherless person, that cannot be there. If he must have a father, he must have a mother. A child is there, means a mother must be there, a father must be there. You cannot say there was no father and mother. I came Swayambhu. Nobody can say. So from that, we infer. When you see something, from that you infer the cause. Like that, from that Atma only the prana has come. So Atma is the cause, prana is the effect. Our cause and the effect are same only. Okay? So Atmanaha prana jayate. Yata yesha purushe chaya etasminni etati atatam manokritena ayatyasmin sharire. Yata yesha purushe chaya, like a shadow, like your shadow. Suppose if you are walking in the sunlight, the shadow is there. Shadow from where it has come? From that person. Okay? From that person only the shadow comes. Likewise, yata yesha purushe chaya. Like that, this prana. The shadow of Bhagavan is prana. Your prana is like your shadow. What is shadow? Wherever you go, it will come with you. Okay? The shadow is within you only. You are the shadow. There is no other thing. If light is there, your shadow will be there. So as the shadow of a person, like that prana is the shadow of the person. The shadow of the person, where the shadow is, it is there in the bimba. The pratibimba is there in the bimba. If you look at the mirror, you see from where that pratibimba has come. From this bimba. From this bimba that pratibimba has come. Okay? Is it clear? So, yata esha purushe chaya. Etasminni Etat atatam. So in that Purusha, the shadow is embedded. The shadow is on the Purusha only. Likewise, the prana is on the Purusha, on the Atma. The shadow is on Bhagavan in you. Your Antaratma is only your prana. You know, the Vedanta Upasana is different and the Prana Upasana is different. Okay? The Raja Yogis, those who are doing this Hatha Yoga and sitting and meditating. Some people are meditating, they are sadhus only. So what is their Upasana? Their Upasana is their Prana Upasana. Okay, there are people will be observing that prana or doing some prana, Bhastrika. And there are sadhus who do upasana on prana only. Prana upasana, siddhas. Many of the siddhas, they will not study anything, no bath, nothing, all like that. And then sit like that. They are Mahatmas. Don't think that we are only Mahatmas. We have studied Upanishad and they are not Mahatmas. They are all Mahatmas actually. They may have siddhis also. They can live without food for days together. Some time ago, maybe 20 years before I think, then at that time I used to, that Gopiji's room, Swamiji was there, Vidyananda Swamiji. We all used to go and have food with Swamiji only, myself, Gopiji, we all. So one day, one Jangli Mahatma came. He was coming inside. Hey Baba, where are you going? Somebody asked. Some food I want. Okay, he said, I will give you. I will not eat all things. You give me banana, he said. You give me banana, he said. And then we searched some banana, there some 5-6 bananas, so we gave it to him. And just opposite there is a tree, there is a big tree. Under the big tree he sat. He sat and then so many monkeys were there, I was looking. All monkeys were. Then he took, and then monkeys came. He was giving like this to every monkey. And then after he was eating also. Then I thought these monkeys will take away banana from him. No monkey had the courage to take it from him. And he was taking. Then monkey comes and says, "Aye, you will do," and then he will eat. "Aye, you will do." Suppose if you do aye, what the monkey will do, you know? Monkey will bite you. I cannot do that. We are Vedanta, it's okay. We know Upanishad. But monkey will bite. The monkey did not bite you. I was looking like this. Nothing is happening to him. Ah! Then he was eating. And then he will give. And he will give to this. The monkeys were not quarreling with each other. I personally saw this actually. Everything is peaceful in his presence. He must be a Mahatma, otherwise he can't do like this. Absolutely fearless he is. That absolute fearless comes from where? And many times I have observed all these things. Absolutely free actually. Even a tiger will come and smell. It will not do you any harm. If you are totally peaceful. That is not possible, you see. We have studied Vedanta, Bhagavad. I know Bhagavad, that won't work. Whether you know Bhagavad or not, I will eat you. The tiger will tell. So absolutely peaceful. Then I told Swamiji also. And he is a Mahatma, Swamiji told. Swamiji cannot walk. So, this the prana upasana, that is Yatesha prana, Yata Yesha Purushe Chaya. It is like Chaya. Chaya, you understand? Shadow. Chaya is not the tea. So, Yata Yesha Chaya, Tadvati, this is a Chaya. Etasminni atatam, it is there in the Atma. Atma only appears as prana. Atma only has become. As the shadow is the same, the person himself is the shadow. Like this, the Paramatma only is prana. That is why prana upasana. In Madhva Sampradaya, Narayana is the top. Then next is, I think, Lakshmi, and then or maybe Hanuman. Hanuman, they call it as Mukhya Prana. Mukhya Prana. Madhvacharyas, Mukhya Prana. So they give the Atma, Paramatma and Prana. Next step, prajakamove prajapatihi, then that prana. So yasha chaya atatam. How it comes? Manokritena ayatyasmin sharire. Your prana is your sankalpa, manokritam. Manokritam means what the mind wanted. That is your prana. Your jivatma is, now your personality is what you wanted. That is corresponding Gita sloka. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyande kalevaram. Tam tam avedi kunteyat sada tat bhava bhavitaha. So this manokritena ayati asmin sharire ayati manokritena. I wanted this way, sankalpa. I want this. Accordingly, in a suitable environment, in a suitable body you come. That prana comes, taking a body. Okay? Manokritena ayati asmin sharire. Now, this idea you will find in the Valmiki Ramayana. Valmiki Ramayana, you know, but these things you should read at little actually. At least you should read the Avatara portion of Valmiki Ramayana and the Avatara portion of Srimad Bhagavat. What is this sloka? But how Bhagavan's Avatara is explained. Vasudeva Ikshata, it will conclude like that, you know. What is the sloka? Now I will come to that later. So, the Ramayana, Sri Ramachandra gets married to Sita. And when she gets married to Sita, how the Valmiki explains that. Then Sita's father is Janaka. So it is called, the marriage is called Kanyaka Dana. So a Kanyaka is being given to a Brahmachari for marriage. Okay? One Brahmachari said, I give this gift to you, you beget children on her. That is how the vrata. Before that, before the marriage ceremony, this person from Brahmacharya, he puts an end to his Brahmacharya. That is called Snataka Vratam. Okay? Then that vrata is, after this vrata, then comes to the place and that man says, my daughter is available, you marry her, I am giving you this gift. So that is how Bhagavan Sri Krishna was also married, although he took away Rukmini from there. Later on it says that, what is that Vivaha? Prajapatya Vidhina. It is called Prajapatya Vidhi. Prajapatya Vidhi means what? So it is in the 54th chapter after Bhagavan takes away this Rukmini from there and goes to this Mathura, and then in the father and mother Devaki Vasudeva together they conduct the marriage. There it says Prajapatyena Vidhina. Note, you check actually. Prajapatyena Vidhina. Bhagavad is there. So it is called Prajapatya Vidhi. Prajapatya Vidhi means what? This is Prajapati Vrata Mithuna. Okay? Understand me actually. You won't get these things from the Kathakars. They do not know all these things. They will say something, blah, blah, blah. Unless you have Tam Adbudam Balagam Ambujakshanam Chadrupujam Changagatatyudayidam Srivatsalakshvam Galashopi Pitambaram Santrabayodasobhagam Maharya Vaiduti Kriyata Kundalatvisha Parishwakta Sahasra Kundalam Uddhama Kanjangati Kanganadivihi Virochamanam Vasudeva Aikshata. When Bhagavan was born, the first person to see him was Vasudeva. Because Bhagavan is born in the jail. And after the delivery, Devaki is almost unconscious. And then he only saw that. So he's Vasudeva Aikshata. That is where we, in the Janmashtami, I conclude there only. I will later on teach you how to read all these things. Okay? Vasudeva Aikshata, we close. Vasudeva saw that. So that is the sloka. About this Vivaha, it is the 54th chapter. Bhagavan Bhishmakusutam evam nirjitya bhumipane puramaniya vidivat upayeme kurutvaha. This is actually Puramaniya vidivati upayeme kurudaha. This is 53rd sloka. So Bhagavan after this, Bhagavan it takes away the Rukmini from there, and then afterwards he gets her married Vidhivat, that is Prajapati Vidhina. He married like that. The commentary is also there. So that is what. And then the Valmiki Ramayana, then Janaka says to Ramachandra, Iyam Sita Mama Sutta. This sloka you should see actually, okay? Valmiki Ramayana, Sita Vivaha. Iyam Sita Mama Sutta Sakadharma Jadi Tava. Iyam Sita Mama Sutta. This Sita, my daughter, Sakadharma Jadi Tava. She will be your Sakadharmani. Pratichainam Bhadramte Panim Grinneshwa Panina. You do Panigrahana to her. Pativrata Mahabhaga Chayeva Anugata Sada. Pativrata Mahabhaga, Mahabhaga, Pativrata. Chayeva Anugata. Chaya means Chayeva Anugata. She will follow you like a shadow. Okay, you understand actually. Iyam Sita Mama Sutam Sakadharma Jadi Tava Praticha Yenam Bhadramte Panim Grinnashva Pandinam Pativrata Mahabhaga Chayeva Anugata Sata. So she will follow you like a chaya or shadow of you. Sita means Jivatma. Ramachandra is Paramatma. Jivatma and Paramatma is like shadow. Chaya Atabu. Chaya Atabu, where it comes? It comes in the Kathopanishad. Chaya Atabu. Like the sun and its shadow. Like that, Jivatma and Paramatma is here. And then Mano Vai Jaya, it is in some other Upanishad is there. Jaya means mind. Mind is your Sakadharmani. Okay? So, here he says, Atmanaha yesha prano jayate. From the Atma only the prana is there. Yetesha purushe chaya etusmin atatam. Like the shadow goes with you everywhere. This prana also goes with us everywhere. Because it is the shadow, your own shadow. Bhagavan's shadow is the Jivatma. The prana is Bhagavan's presence. You cannot see Bhagavan like that. You see his presence here. Okay? If you want to see yourself, what will you see? You will see in the mirror. You don't see yourself. You see what? Your reflection only you see. Okay? So Bhagavan see your reflection. And there is very interesting story in the Tamil literature. Sundaramurti Nayanar, okay? There was one person, his name was Sundaramurti. So actually the story goes like that. Bhagavan Shiva, one day he was standing before the mirror. And beard, whether my beard is okay, jata is okay. He was looking like that. It's not like Narayana, he's not a Sundara Purusha. But he's not a Sundara Purusha, but his name is Sundara. What Sundara I do not know. So he looked and then he thought, oh, you are a Sundara, he thought. When you look at the mirror, what will you think? I also think I am very Sundara. Everyone will think I am a Sundara. So he also liked, oh, Sundara. So the word came from his mouth, Sundara. So the word has to become true. So from one fellow jumped out of that figure. From that mirror, one fellow jumped. Oh, what is that? You called me, I have come. All right, you go and do seva to Parvati, he said. So he was doing seva to Parvati. Something happened. So he was asked to go to earth. So he came down to the earth and became a saint also. He was a good saint. Some mistake happened. So like Jaya Vijaya. So he became Sundaramurti Nayanar. So there exactly this is being told. Chaya Atapo. The Atma, from that Atma only, Atma's Chaya is this prana. This prana, Jivatma, is prana. You are Jivatma, you are Bhagavan's Pradibimba. The mirror image of Bhagavan is you. Don't think you are an ordinary person. You have everything here. Don't, I want this, you don't say it belongs to you, everything belongs to you. And unfortunately, you think it does not belong to me, I want this. It belongs to you only. The rich man is dreaming that I am a poor fellow. I want the money, he thinks. All the money belongs to you. So it is like that only. So, manokritena ayas atmin sharire. You had some desire, some sankalpa. In order to fulfill that sankalpa only you have come here. Therefore, we will not have any sankalpa hereafter. Everything is fine here. When any sankalpa is there in the mind, any petty desire comes in the mind, that will create another prana for you. So that is, Vedanta says, Vairagya means what? Vairagya means what? Non-desiring anything, because there is nothing worth desiring here. What is there to desire here? Finally, we will all one day die. So, etasmin atatam manokritena ayatyasmin shariris. Okay, now it is time. So next mantra we will see. So some of these things you see actually. Ramachandra's Janma portion, Avatara chapter, Bhagavan Sri Krishna's Avatara chapter, and in the Tulsidas, where Bhagavan, he explains about Ramachandra's Avatara. The initial slokas, first 8 slokas are wonderful Sanskrit slokas. The Ramcharitmanas, first 8 slokas are Sanskrit slokas, you know that? All are such. Varnanam Atta Sanghanam. Vani Vinayaka, there are also, Mithuna is there, so. Next, Bhavani Shankaro. Shraddha Vishwasu Rupano. And what is the second line? Tasya Kripa Vina Siddhanti Swantastamisha. Without their Kripa, this Swantastamisha, Swantastamisharam. The Bhagavan who is inside will not be revealed to you. Okay? Bhagavan is very much here, that we should remember. Bhagavan we can go worship in the temple, that is okay. But never we should forget he is here. That is very, very important. Here we should realize here, then only it will be that Bhagavan will be fully understood. Vishwam darpana dishyamana nagadi tulyam nijantargatam Pashyan atmani mayaya bhidivot yatha nidrayam yas sakshat kurute prabodha samaye swatmanameva advayam tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Bijasyantari Vanguro Jagaditam Prang Nirvikalpam Punaha Maya Kalpita Deshakala Kalana Vaichitra Chitri Kritam Maya Viva Vijrambayatyavi Mahayogiva Yasvechaya Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Yasyaiva Spuranam Sadatmakam Asat Kalpartagam Bhasate Sakshat Tattvamasi Di Vachasa Tattvamasi Di Veda Vachasa Yo Bhodayatyaśritani Yas Sakshat Karanat Bhavenna Punaravartihi Bhavambho Nidhau Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Nana Chidragadodharastita Mahadeepa Prabhavaswaram Jnanam Yasyatu Chakshiradikarana Bihispandate Janamidi Tameva Bhandam Anubatyetat Samastam Jagat Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Deham Pranamapindriyanyapi Chalam Buddhim Cha Shunyam Viduhu Stri Balanta Jadopama Stvahamidi Branta Abrisham Vadinaha Maya Shakti Vilasa Kalpidamaha Vyamoha Sambharine Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Rahugrasta Divagarendra Sadrisho Maya Samachhadanat Sanmatra Karunopa Samharanato Yobhut Sushupta Puman Praga Swapsamidi Prabodha Samaye यः प्रत्यभिज्ञायते तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमेदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये बाल्यादिष्वपि जागृदादिषु तथा सर्वासु अवस्थासु अपि व्यावृत्तास्वनुवर्तमानम् अहमित्यन्तःस्फुरन्तं सदा स्वात्मानं प्रकटीकरोति भजतां यो बुद्रया भद्रया तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये विश्वं पश्यति कार्यकारणतया स्वस्वामी सम्बन्धता शिष्य आचार्यतया तथैव पितृपुत्राद्यात्मना भेदतः स्वप्ने जागृति वा एष पुरुषो मायापरिभ्रामितः तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुभागं सस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं जदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम्।